What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from saferwholesale.com, and today we're doing another little video here on the 300cc MSA with the plow in the red color. Now, we do have these in a few different colors. We've got the red, black, and blue. And obviously, if you watch this video, you see that it has something attached to it, which is the snow plow. Now, this one here, again, it's got the snow plow in the front along with your 2,000-pound winch. Now, the best part about this is you can easily pin it left and right, no problem. And then, of course, right up here on the front, you simply move it up and down with ease from sitting behind the cab. Check it out. This one here, again, it's got electric start on it. You've got your headlights, tail lights. You've got your nice digital dash as well. Again, switchable from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive with the flick of a button. Very easy. Easy to ride, easy to drive. And then check it out. You've got high, low, neutral, and reverse. And again, this one here, it's got a nice wide seat along with your nice, wonderful backrest as well with your racks on the back. Check it out. Again, 4x4 shaft driven. Now check out the rear end on this bad boy right here. Check it out. Again, you also have your trailer ball hitch right there, as well as your shaft driven rear end. Disc brakes, real nice deep sounding exhaust right there. And of course you got your shock in the back and your battery with the electric start. So give us a call. Nice knobby tire there with lots of tread. Call us today, 866-606-3991. Give us a call right now, saferwholesale.com. We'll ship nationwide, right to your front door. Got reverse. Again, real easy to ride, easy to drive. Got high, low as well. Give us a ring right now. Call us today, 866-606-3991. You got your brakes here on the left-hand side as well as your foot brake. As far as your gas, you got your on, your reserve, and then off, of course. Call us right now, toll free, 866-606-3991, saferwholesale.com.